Class 5. Today I am going to continue again with exercise 19, that is fractions. Okay, before starting this exercise 19, means that is continuing this exercise 19, in my last videos I told you how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fractions. Now there is one formula: mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder by divisor. This thing, okay, you have to learn or mug it up for filling the blank purposes for objectives. Similarly, this one also, improper equal to whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. These two you have to prepare for objectives. Okay, now let us continue with the exercise. First question, find the value of the following. Okay, question number 40, 2 by 3 of rupees 2.10. So we will just solve this sum. How to solve this? This is equal to 2 by 3 into rupees 2.10. Now to remove this point I have to divide by 100. So this point is removed. Now cancel this with this. So cancel both these by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and this one it will go by 70. So this is equal to rupees. Remember to write down the unit properly. 2 into 70 equal to 140. 2 into 70 equal to rupees 140 by 100. So convert this again into decimal. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So the point will shift towards left, 2 places towards left, that is rupees 1.40. okay, and you know you have to write down the answer. The required value is rupees 1.40. okay, come to the next question. 3 by 5 of 4 quintals. So this is equal to 3 by 5 of means into 4 quintals. So see, there is no cancellation, so you directly multiply the numerators. 3 into 4, 12 by 5 quintals. Convert into mixed fraction. So this is equal to 2 whole number 2 by 5 quintals. Now this is not complete. See, this 2 by 5 quintals. So what is my answer? 2 whole number 2 by 5 quintals. This fraction 2 by 5 quintals, I have to convert this into kg. I will not keep it in the form of fraction. I will convert into kg. So we know that 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. So this is equal to 2 quintals 2 by 5 into 100 kg. Cancel this. So this is equal to 2 quintals 40 kg. Okay, 2 quintals 40 kg. Then you write down the answer, the required value, the same way. The required value is 2 quintals 40 kg. The required value is 2 quintals 40 kg. Okay, I am not writing again the answer, but in your exam paper you should write the answer in full sentences. Okay, now come to next question. 3/8 of 20 liters. So same thing you will do. This is equal to 3/8 into 20 liter. So this will be cancelled by 4 into 2 8, 4 into 5 20. So this is equal to 15/2 liter. So convert into mixed fraction. So this is equal to 7 whole number 1/2 liter. Again this fraction 1/2 liter I have to convert into deciliter. Next smaller unit, deciliter. So we know that 1 liter equal to 10 deciliter. So 7.5 liter equal to 7 liter. 1/2 into 10 deciliter. Okay, I'm cancelling this by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So what is the result? 7 liter 5 deciliter. Again you will write down the answer. The required value is 7 liter 5 deciliter. Okay, come to next question. 5/8 of 18 hours. So 5, this is equal to 5/8 into 18 hours. So I have to cancel this by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. So this is equal to 5 into 9. 5 into 9 equal to 45/4 hours. So convert into fraction, mixed fraction. So this is equal to 11 whole number 1/4 hours. Again 1/4 hours I will convert into next smaller unit, that is minute. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 11 whole number 1/4 hours equal to 11 hours 1/4 into 60 minutes. So it will be cancelled. 4 and 60 you can cancel by 4 itself. So 4 ones are 4, and this one 4 ones are 4, 15. So what is my answer? My answer is 11 hours 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see I have not done all the sums. Okay, some of the sums I have shown. The rest of the sums are the repetition. Okay, means similar sums. Suppose 41 and 42, 40, 41, 42 are similar sums. 43 again it is of quintal sums. Then 44 is of quintal sum, liter sum. It is about the unit liter. Then again 47, 48, both are similar sums, so I am not doing those similar sums, I am skipping them. Okay, so you try to do them at home. Okay, you try to do them by yourself, and I hope so you can do. Okay, if you can understand the process, you can do the rest of the sums which I have not shown you. Okay, now move on to the next sums. Okay, okay, so 2 by 3 of 3 by 9, 2 by 3 of 3 gram, 9 decigram, 6 centigram. First of all, you have to convert 3 gram, 9 decigram, 6 centigram into simple units, into centigram. Okay, this is a compound quantity, you have to convert into simple quantity, that is centigram. So let's do. Three gram, 9 decigram, 6 centigram equal to, we know that 1 gram equal to 100 centigram and 1 decigram equal to 10 centigram. So 3 gram equal to 3 into 100 centigram plus 9 into 10 centigram plus 6 centigram. So what is the total of this? 300 centigram plus 90 centigram plus 6 centigram, that is 396 centigram. Okay, now let's solve this. 2 by 3 into 396 centigram. Okay, we'll cancel this by 3. 3 ones are 3, and this one is 1, 3, 2. So this is equal to 2 into 132 centigram, that is equal to 264 centigram. Again we will convert this into compound quantity, that is, if this is the unit place, if this is centigram, then this one is decigram, this one is gram. You have already done the conversion of simple quantities to compound quantities. So this is 2 gram, 6 decigram, 4 centigram. So write down the answer. The required value is 2 gram, 6 decigram, 4 centigram. Okay. I hope so you have understood the sum. Okay, let's move on to next sum. 5 by 18 of 2 days 6 hours. Okay, this one in this sum 2 days 6 hours, I have to convert into hours and then I have to multiply. So just see here, 2 days 6 hours equal to 2 into 24 hours plus 6 hours. Okay, so 2 into 24 means 48 hours plus 6 hours. So this is equal to 48 plus 6 is how much? 54 hours. Okay, so now let us multiply this. This is equal to 5 by 18 into, as I have got there 54 hours, so into 54 hours. So it will go by 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54. So this is equal to 15 hours. Okay, so the required value is 15 hours. This is all clear to you, all of you? Next, go to this one, rupees 2 by 5. This one, how to solve? We know that rupees 1 equal to 100 pies. You can use this symbol also. Okay, rupees 1 equal to 100 pies. So rupees 2 by 5 equal to 2 by 5 into 100 pies. It is going by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5, 20 is 100. So this is equal to 2 into 20 equal to 40 pies. Is it clear? Okay, next move on to this one, 9 by 16 quintals. In this sum we have to just convert 9 by 16 quintals to kg and gram. So let's do 1 quintal equal to 100 gram. Nine by 16 quintals equal to kg. 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. Okay. So 9 by 16 quintals equal to 9 by 16 into 100 kg. Okay. So see this, you can